Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to download and install CIBC mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store on your device. Then, at the bottom right corner, you will see searching icon, tap on it. Now, on the searching bar, search for CIBC mobile banking. Then, find the app labeled with CIBC mobile banking and go through it. There, tap on Get button to download your application. It may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Once the application is installed, there you will see Open button. Simply tap on it to launch your application. And that was it. You have successfully downloaded CIBC mobile banking application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.